Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning, April the 5th, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 698. Okay, so we have a market that looks higher. I'm going to guess it's primarily on the employment numbers from Friday showing 916,000 new jobs for the month and an unemployment rate going down to 6%. Still stubbornly high, but nonetheless seemingly going in the right direction. Okay, so we have Secretary of the Treasury Yellen calling for a worldwide AMT tax. That would be a tax for everyone, everywhere, on a worldwide basis, and it probably has a snowball's chance in hell of getting through that kind of grouping. GameStop trading 169. It was as low as 158. Right now it's down 23. It was down well over 30 on the issuance of new shares. Johnson & Johnson taking over production from a couple of subcontractors for their shots. Delta cutting about 100 flights and adding some middle seats. But the big news in stocks is Tesla, which dramatically beat first quarter deliveries. It was a big jump on a quarter-to-quarter basis. On a year-over-year basis, it's also a big jump. The stock is trading around 711, and that's up 49 and change, or over 7%. Facebook has come out and said that there are 533 million people's personal data leaked. So I don't know how in the world you trust Facebook with any of your pertinent information. This leak is pretty much standard stuff: names, addresses, and some personal information. At the box office this week, we had finally a healthy showing, 48.5 million for opening weekend. Decidedly a long weekend because of Friday's holiday, but 48.5 million for Godzilla versus Kong. And Nanix has a new digital X-ray equipment that is looking like it will be approved by the FDA. It's more mobile, it's less expensive, and according to the company, it would, quote, democratize digital imaging. That word is getting very overused. In any event, NNOX is 71.40, and that's up a little over $30. The chart on the screen is the oil, and as you can see, it's down about $1.12. It has been lower, but so far it's an inside day, lower high, higher low. But if we can close below this 59.16, then I would expect that we'll probably see a move down to the mid-50s from there. A couple of dollars here and there on the oil. And that's about it. The futures are pointing to a decidedly higher open. Remember that a great deal of the UK and parts of Europe are closed today for Easter Monday. The Dow is up 254. That is a catch-up from what we saw, as I said, on the basis of Friday's employment numbers. And the S&P is up about 23, and NASDAQ is, now the S&P is up closer to 27.5. So that's still gaining a bit. And the NASDAQ is up, but not nearly as much on a percentage basis. It's up 110, and that's about it. GameStop, by the way, Issuing shares, finally. The stock is trading around 169, and that's down 23. I saw it trading as low as 158, so that's recovering a bit. And I want to remind everyone that we had a great interview with Dennis Marlowe, getting into really the nuts and bolts of futures trading and the advantages. I remind you that if you want information about that trading program, all you have to do is direct message or email me. The email is CAM at moneyinfo-llc.com, or if you go into our Discord room, it's easy enough to direct message me, and I will get you that information out and a copy of the link to the interview from last Tuesday. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It's probably going to be a somewhat light day because of those closed markets, and that doesn't mean that there won't be some more volatility. All right, everyone, again, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ask about the futures trading program.